In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size to A4 in Power BI. This is especially useful if you plan to print, share a PDF, or keep your report pages consistent with standard document sizes. Start by launching Power BI Desktop and opening the report file you want to adjust. Once your report is open, make sure the page itself, not a specific visual, is selected. The quickest way to do that is to click on a blank area of the report canvas or press the Escape key. If you ever see formatting options that look specific to a chart or card, that's a sign a visual is selected. Click an empty spot again to bring the focus back to the page. Look to the right side of the screen for the Visualizations pane. There, click the Format icon, the one that looks like a paint roller. This switches the pane into formatting mode so you can control how the page is laid out. In this pane, find Canvas Settings. In some versions of Power BI, this section may have been called Page Size, so if you're used to that name, you're in the right place. Open Canvas Settings, then find the Type dropdown. If A4 appears in the list, simply select it. Power BI will automatically apply the standard A4 dimensions to your page, making it ready for printing or exporting without guesswork. If A4 isn't listed for your build, choose Custom. With Custom selected, you'll enter the page dimensions manually using pixels. Power BI uses 96 dpi for the canvas, so to match A4 precisely in portrait orientation, type width 794 pixels, and height, 123 pixels. These values correspond to the real A4 size and ensure your content scales correctly when printed or exported. Double-check that you've entered the numbers in the correct fields and confirm the unit is pixels. After the size is set, glance at the page to make sure your visuals still fit within the boundaries. You might need to nudge or resize a visual so there's a comfortable margin around the edges, which helps avoid clipping when exporting. If your page looks zoomed in or out, use the view controls to fit the page on screen so you can see the entire layout clearly while you adjust. That's it. You've set your Power BI report page to standard A4 sizing, either by selecting the built-in option or by entering the exact pixel dimensions. With this in place, your report pages will align with A4 layouts for consistent printing and clean PDF exports.